Alright, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to a brand new video on the Make Money Moves channel, and today I have yet another easy way that you guys can make some money online. Now, this is a fairly simple method, and actually there's a couple websites that I'm going to show you guys with this method. So, basically, if you guys use the internet, which you guys are using the internet right now to watch this video, you know that websites are a thing that are on the internet. And the thing about websites is sometimes they're not very usable. They're not very user-friendly. And because of that, there are platforms set up where web developers can submit their websites and they can have people test them, take videos of them testing the websites, and then the web developers can use that information to build better websites. Now, I'm actually going to be showing you guys a couple of platforms because using these platforms, you can make quite a bit of money. And I feel like you guys would benefit greatly from this. So yeah, I'll see you guys in a second on those websites. Alright guys, so we've actually looked at this before, but this is Try My UI. Basically, you would go to trymyui.com/worker/sign up. And then you would become a Try My UI tester. Now, how this works is you get paid to use websites and apps and give honest feedback. So, you pretty much help make the web easier for everyone else using it by giving feedback to designers and coders that make websites. And really all you got to do is record a video of you using a website and you talk about how you feel about the website. So, of course, there is no limit to the number of tests that you can do. It's not full-time work, but I mean, it is something that you can do to make a little bit of money. And if you use some of the other platforms that I'm going to show you guys, then you can be making some bank, to be honest. And yeah, overall, this is a very good platform. And like I said, we've actually made a video on this entire platform before. So if you guys want to go check that out, it is up on the channel. Now next, this is Lytics. So this is pretty similar to Try My UI. Companies are getting feedback from real users. So basically, what they're going to do is they're going to send out, or they're going to find people to test their website on here. And if you happen to be on here when they send out their request, then you're going to test out a certain website, a certain app, and you're going to give your opinion on it. So, yeah, and as you guys can see, a lot of big companies use this service. So Microsoft uses it, pretty big. Google uses it. American Airlines, Dunkin' Donuts, who doesn't like Dunkin' Donuts? The Clorox Company, Logitech. These are all really, really big companies, guys, and that's the magic of this. A lot of big companies use this, so you know it's a trusted platform, and you can honestly just get a good amount of money on here if you spend some time doing tests. So, of course, they have advanced video capture and editing, and cool stuff like that. There's also live conversations. So what that means is sometimes clients might actually want to hop into a group call with you so that they can actually see what you're doing while you're testing the website, and you can give them live feedback. And I imagine that's very helpful if you're a website developer. Now, another platform, and I've actually used this one before, user testing. Now, this is probably the biggest platform out of all these that I'm showing you guys. So with user testing, you can earn up to $60 per test. Now most of the time it's about like $10 to $15 for a 10 to 15 minute test, because that's normally what you're going to be doing. But sometimes, like the previous platform, you'll hop into a group call with the web developers, and they'll watch you pretty much test out their website, their app, and you can discuss with them the problems that you have with it, what you like about it, and from there they'll be able to improve their service. So you get $10 through PayPal for every 20-minute video you complete, and you're being paid to visit websites or apps and complete a couple of jobs and stuff on there, and you have to speak your thoughts aloud. So yeah, and once again, these guys are backed up by some large companies. Now the New York Times made an article on them that as you can see, they like this platform. Lifehacker also made an article on them. The Huffington Post made an article on them. And even the Wall Street Journal made a post on these guys. And as you can see, big companies also support user testing because, like I said, it's actually like the biggest user testing platform out there, hence the name. But there's Zendesk, there's Apple, there's Microsoft, there's Twitter, there's eBay, there's Wikipedia, there's Facebook, Evernote, Dropbox, Adobe, Yahoo. I don't even know what this is. I guess Orbitz. So these are big companies, guys. They support this. So what you need to get started, you need a PC or Mac, an internet connection, and a microphone. And you'll also need an iPhone, iPad, Android phone, or Android tablet if you would like to take mobile tests. So in this situation, guys, I would highly recommend, if you have a laptop and a smartphone, using those together because you can get more tests and make more money that way. Now, you must also be able to download their testing software, which is pretty easy to get. You must be 18 years old, and you must have the ability to speak your thoughts aloud in English. So even if you're not like a native English speaker, if you can speak English pretty well, then you'll probably be able to get by on this platform. And as they say on here, you can earn a few extra dollars on the side, but it won't make you rich. But if you guys use the other platforms along with this one, like I said before, you can make some bank. Now, like I said, you're going to get paid through PayPal, and you must have a PayPal account and live in a country that you can receive PayPal money transfers. You will receive your payment exactly 7 days after completing a website or app test. So you get paid weekly, which is pretty soon, to be honest. That's pretty cool. And they accept testers from places like India, Israel, Saudi Arabia, South Africa, the United Arab, I don't even know how to say that. Then they also have Australia, China, Hong Kong, Indonesia, Japan, Malaysia, New Zealand, Philippines, Singapore, South Korea, Taiwan, Thailand, Vietnam, Austria, Belgium, just all kinds of countries. And of course they have like the United States, Canada, and the UK. Pretty much any modern country is going to have support for this platform. Now, there's also other platforms. Userfeel, it's not as big as the other three that I've shown, but it's pretty similar. And there's big corporations that back it up too, like TripAdvisor, Office Depot, Lowe's, Tesco, Target, and all kinds of big companies like that. This is also, like I said before, it's smaller than the other platforms, but that might actually work to your advantage because then you might be able to get more things to do. Now, other platforms like this, there's also What Users Do and Enroll app. But besides that, those are really the main platforms that you guys are going to be using if you want to record some videos and make some easy money. And yeah, now even though you can make money with the method that I just showed you, you're still trading time for money. And to be honest, the way that I showed you how to make some extra money on the side is really something that isn't meant to be full time, and you're not really going to generate a whole lot of money on there. You're really just going to generate enough money to maybe pay a couple extra bills, maybe buy a little something extra. But if you guys are tired of working your 9 to 5 and you want to make money pretty much all the time, even when you're asleep, then I recommend checking out the link down in the description below. It's actually the first link, and you'll discover